Hey, what's up, guys? Yeah, this problem is let's solve this 944 delete column to make sorted. Hey, so hope you guys subscribe to my channel. So we are given an array with strings strs all of the same length. The string can be arrayed such that there is a one on such line. You make it a grid. For example, strs abc bce cae abc bc cae, and you need to make it a grid, right? So you need to make it imagine this grid. I'm gonna delete a column. Okay, so you want to delete the columns that are not sorted lexicographically. So in above examples, right, so it's straight, right, ABC, BCE, CAE. Okay, so you see ABC is sorted, CE is sorted, and sorry, ABC is sorted, CE and BCA is sorted, not sorted, right? So you need to delete one, this BCA. Okay, so maybe that, let me just draw this, right? So you need to delete this. Okay. And then you need to return the number of columns that you will need to delete. Okay. Yeah, so that's it. But basically, so my idea is very stupid, right? But basically very straight. So I just imagine that I put so I create an array like C, D, G, and the array B, A, H, and the string A, F, I, right? So basically I can create MN STRS. So this is our grid, and I mathematically should call transpose. Right? Transpose this by joining strij for I range M, right? So you see, I start usually is M and N. So I start from M and I go to N, right? So this is so this new STRS dash line will create the straight like ABC, BCA, CAE, and I go through each new transpose, and for each string, if it's not the same as it's sorted, that means you need to delete, right? So you can just delete it. So answer add 1. So you just count how many of them which is not sorted and return answer. Very straightforward, and solving this problem is simple. See you guys next videos.